I appreciate all you coming and spending the time with us this afternoon. As you can see here, I really thank you coming to see the OnStar EV Lab. And again, what we tried to tell you today was how we're using that to help build the reality of an electrified vehicle. And we kind of pointed out a couple of different key pieces. One being the data that we're using to help develop the vehicle itself. And you guys probably know better than anybody that this vehicle is a new vehicle and there aren't general benchmarks of what to test it against, how the real world's going to use it. So therefore you see us collecting data not only on how the vehicle is performing, its state, and all the other kinds of things that we've talked about that Dana mentioned, as well as kind of the data look that Nick mentioned. As we kind of talked about, hey, how do these things get used in the real world, and how does an extended range electric vehicle work? And why do we think is that the right solution for the solution we're trying to provide our customers? Those that went to the command center and had an opportunity to see what we do there, I hope you really got a chance to see how we've really evolved over the years, because I think it's an important aspect as you think forward about what we're doing with the Volt. Meaning we have not stood still in this 13 years that we've been in business. Frankly, we've had over 270 million customer interactions. We use those in the customer feedback all the time. And if you really look at our history, we've evolved almost every service line to a huge change from what it was originally. Again, all along the lines of really providing safety, security, navigation and communications, and really looking at delivering peace of mind for our subscribers on all those fronts. We gave you a little snapshot on the inside today of what we do inside the company and how we help Jim, in this case specifically, the Volt team kind of work on how they develop the vehicle. I think it'll be really interesting, and I think if you kind of put where we've been and kind of where we're heading on our other services, and when you think about it, I can tell this is a very astute group, particularly in this part of the technology. You can kind of envision the kinds of things and the data that we have now and how it will be used to benefit the vehicle design, both now as the vehicle gets out there and as you kind of look to the future, the kinds of things that only GM can do because we've got OnStar as a capability on all our vehicles. And it's particularly important on a vehicle like this. And so I think you'll hear a lot more from us as we kind of go through time here. And I think it'll be a real exciting period of time for all of you, and frankly, certainly for Tony and my whole team. And we're excited and proud of the work that's been done so far. But we think there's a lot more to be done, and stay tuned. We'll be talking to you.